Girl Bella. Hi babes, it's me, Shannon, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Today I am bringing you what's new, what's now, and what's next in beauty, and it is all about Miss Danessa Myricks. So in case you haven't heard, she will be coming out with her Lightworks palette number 5. This is volume 5. And we got a sneak peek of it today, and it is fantastic. You know it is good, and it gets your creative juices going when you rush home and you grab your Lightworks palette number 4 and do a quick eye look just to film this video. And that's exactly what I did. I grabbed my Lightworks palette volume 4 and I put on Out of Body, which is up here, and then I threw on Heaven, which is the Chroma Flakes, and threw that right in the center of my eye to come on here and film today. I had a darker lip on earlier, so I switched that out to a more nude lip to match the fire that is coming off of my eyelids right now. But enough about volume number 4. This is all about volume number 5. So let me break it down for you. This is an all over face. It's a multi-use palette, and it has 18 stunning pigments and 7 light catching finishes inspired by the beautiful light within us all. That's from Danessa. She's just lovely. So let's break down this chromatic formula, the shades, and what kind of finishes they all have, right? So first we're gonna go into what she's calling Heavenly Halos. These are ethereal sparkling toppers. The shades on that are Resilient, Radiant, Protected, and Evolving. So those are all of the chromatic formula shades. Then she has Fusion Flakes. These are crystallized flakes with micro fine shimmer. The shade in this one is called Centered. Then she has a Silk Press Shifters. These are going to be ultra reflective, they're going to be smooth, they're going to be color shifting, and they are pressed pigments. These are in shades Strong, Brave, Loved, and Healed. Oh my God, I love these names already. And we have the Whipped Powder Shifters. These are going to be dazzling, buttery, colored, shifting pressed pigments. These shades are called Fierce, Fearless, Inspiring, and Abundant. We have Molten Metals. These are going to have metallic, mirror-like shine and a dynamic reflect. And that shade is called Invincible. We have Suede Shimmers, which are velvet, light-catching shimmers. These are in shades called Unstoppable, Unbreakable, and Enough. And then finally, we have our Cushion Chromes. These are going to be plush, multi-chromatic, color flashing, pressed pigments. And the shade in this one is going to be called Powerful. Now this launches exclusively on the Sephora app on 10/6. If you are a Rouge member, of which I am, you probably will get a notice saying Rouge members, you can go on and do it. So I would check around 10/5 or 10/6 just to make sure. And if you get it, I would suggest you run, not walk. And then it launches on the 7th of October at Danessa Myricks Beauty. So, babes, run, don't walk. I'm going to tell you right now, this volume 4 was beautiful. As I said, I don't use this nearly enough, but it will give you alien superstar vibes for sure. But the next one, volume 5, fire, flames, and more fire. And the fact that you can use it all over, you can use this one all over too, like all over the face. You can use it as highlight, all of that, which I haven't really dabbled in, but I will. But volume 5, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm going to insert some film and some footage here so you can see it for yourself. Brown Girl Bella. And if you are interested, run, don't walk. Put the app on your phone if you don't have it. If you're a Rouge member, set a reminder for yourself to go check and see if Rouge members can have first access to it, and then grab it. I know I am going to get this. This has got to be in my collection. Definitely will be using it for the holiday season along with volume 4, and I also have volume 3 and volume 2. The only one I don't have is her very first one, but I'm gonna tell you guys, I use it every holiday season. You can also pair these with other things in your collection if you wanna, ground a little bit. Maybe you don't wanna be alien superstar like I'm doing right now. Maybe you wanna tone it down a little bit. You can certainly do that with this palette, Lightwork Volume 4, and certainly with Lightwork Volume 5. So that's it. And until next time, you have now been bellified. Bye, babes. Brown Girl Bella.